You talk about a restoration challenge, that car's it. The car's probably the biggest challenge I've ever taken on.
Talked about how big of a challenge this was. Jim, our master tech, our body man, Brett, and our interior guy, Norm, everybody was kind of tepid on whether or not it could get done in time, but everybody was excited about the car. It's a milestone moment for Porsche where the fuel-injected engine and the Targa were brought in for the first time in the same car. The body needed a lot of attention. It hadn't run for some 15 years. The interior was a mess. We know it'll be a winner for us. To bring this car, which really deserves to be restored to a condition that will make everybody proud, is the goal. And we're confident we can do it.